What's going on, guys? Zzeddd here. How you all doing today? Hopefully everything is fantastically, marvelously amazing for you guys as per usual. So, we've got fans. But, as promised, we're going to be replacing these with these. Make sure to stay tuned because this is going to get interesting. Alright, so that's everything basically installed as it is for just now. Look at that, finally there's not going to be like half of the fan actually cut off above as I say up here. That's not going to be there anymore, so you're getting the full effects of the lights. But speaking of effects of the light and everything else, we're going to take you through the Corsair Link software just now, myself and Mr. Jam Forever, who is of course doing the excellent job behind the camera as per usual. Make sure to give the like a thumbs up. No, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course if you're new to it, make sure to subscribe as well, guys. But this is what we're dealing with just now. We're going to leave the glass panel off at this moment in time, and we're going to show you through the Corsair software as it is. So first time doing this, so yeah, kind of please bear with me. But yes, we're going to get this sorted for you just now. Bear with me. So guys, we're going to be doing a little bit of a demonstration here, whereas basically I'm going to go through a lot of the color features and everything else with this brand new light loop software. So as you guys can see, they're going to do like a half and half screen thing, so let's just get into it. So first effect we have is going to be, of course, the rainbow wave, which we will apply just now. Looks pretty damn awesome. And of course we can make them go clockwise, we can make them go counterclockwise, like counterclockwise as well. You can speed them up as well. So yep, just go on to the next effect here. I'm going to do them all as a rainbow. A lot of clicking involved, I know. As you can see, just rainbow pulses through all of the colors. I don't know why one of them is stuck as it is. Should be a channel effect, but we're going to go for color shift now. We're going to do randomize on the colors, so color shift, color shift, there we go. Random, all good there. Let's go apply. All going to shift colors quite nicely. I'm going to go through color pulse. And they're all going to be a random color. That's why, because that one's speed was down, so it should all be pulsing nice colors just now, which is good. These are all kind of randomly generated as it is, so gotta go for color wave next. And color wave. Counterclockwise, counterclockwise, yeah. Randomizing that colors, very, very nice and awesome looking. We're gonna go for static colors now. In fact, we're gonna skip the static and the temperature. They're not exactly very interesting. So we're gonna do visor for the next one, and random colors as well. Let's apply on that. Pretty sexy, pretty sexy. I'm gonna go for a bit of marquee. And let's get that on the fly. Basically, these are all kind of the same ones that you'd expect from any type of Corsair software as it is. But of course, we're having just a brief overview, as I say, guys. You know, blink is quite a good one. I mean, if you wanted it faster, then you could make it faster. These aren't at the maximum setting for the brightness as it is for just now, but as you can see, that looks pretty sweet, to be honest with yourself. You know, bump up the brightness, make the room glow. We're going to try sequential as well. So there we go. There's a nice little bit of sequential artistics for you. And we're going to go nearly there, guys. This is a brand new one, I think. This is Arc. So yeah, we've got the glow in the center as well. And we're going to go for Heartbeat, which is another new one that I've not seen before. Like that. That's pretty sweet, because of course you've got the inner LEDs glowing as well as the outer ones, and then of course we've got Pong, which is pretty much one of the ones I'm going to be using as it is. It's going to be like a channel effect. That looks so good right there, guys. So good, if you ask me. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that as it is. It just goes up and down, up and down, up and down. You can also change the speed, the brightness, and everything else like that. But yes, that's pretty much going to do it as it is for just now, guys. I do want to, of course, plug my Twitch gaming channel, in which I will be doing a lot of live streams and everything else. So the link will be in the description for that. So of course, if you want to go down, check that out. Of course, follow the channel. We're doing my live streams, PUBG, Black Ops 3, just games like that, as I say, games that you guys want to see. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, as always, and don't forget to like the video and everything else. So thank you very much for tuning in, and as always, Zzeddd out.